In the rapidly evolving world of business, strategic pricing stands as a cornerstone for success. It's more than just setting a price for products or services. It's about developing a thoughtful approach that considers various market factors, customer needs, and business objectives. Strategic pricing is a key driver for profitability, customer satisfaction, and market positioning. What is strategic pricing? Strategic pricing is more than just setting a price. It's a deep dive into market dynamics. It involves analyzing competitors, understanding customer perceptions, and identifying the true value of a product or service. Businesses use this tactic not only to hit their financial goals, but also to strengthen their market position. Strategic pricing isn't one size fits all. It adapts based on industry trends, market conditions, and business objectives. When applied effectively, it becomes a powerful tool for driving growth and maximizing success. Types of strategic pricing. In the complex world of business, choosing the right pricing strategy is crucial. 1. Competitive pricing strategy. Competitive pricing is a strategy where businesses set their prices based on what their competitors are charging. It's particularly effective in markets with high competition and similar products, as it helps businesses stay competitive and relevant. Companies employing this strategy must continuously monitor their competitors' pricing and market trends to adjust their prices accordingly. It's ideal for businesses that aim to capture or maintain market share in a competitive industry. 2. Cost-plus pricing strategy. The cost-plus pricing strategy involves adding a fixed percentage markup to the production cost of a product. Labor and overheads are covered and a consistent profit margin is achieved. It is one of the most basic and commonly used pricing strategies, especially suitable for businesses where costs are relatively predictable and market demand is stable. 3. Dynamic pricing strategy. Dynamic pricing is an adaptive strategy where prices fluctuate based on real-time market demand, customer behavior, or seasonal factors. It's widely used in industries like hospitality, travel, and e-commerce, where prices can change based on factors such as time of booking, room availability, or consumer purchasing trends. This strategy allows businesses to maximize profits by capitalizing on peak demand periods, while offering competitive prices during off-peak times. 4. Freemium pricing strategy. Offers a free basic version with paid upgrades for advanced features. Common in digital services, it attracts users with no-cost entry and converts them into paying customers. 5. High-low pricing strategy. Initially sets high prices, later offering discounts to create urgency and attract both premium buyers and bargain hunters. Widely used in retail. 6. Penetration pricing strategy. Introduces products at low prices to gain market share quickly. Once a customer base is built, prices gradually increase. 7. Price skimming strategy. Starts with a high price for innovative products, targeting early adopters, then gradually lowers it to reach a wider audience. 8. Promotional pricing strategy. Temporarily reduces prices to boost sales, commonly used for new launches, seasonal sales, or clearing inventory. Should be used carefully to maintain product value. 9. Bundled pricing. Combines multiple products at a lower total cost, increasing perceived value and encouraging larger purchases. 10. Discount pricing. Offers reduced prices through sales, coupons, or loyalty programs to attract price-sensitive customers and drive sales. Pros and cons of pricing strategies. Penetration pricing. Quickly attracts customers, builds market presence. Low margins, hard to raise prices later. Competitive pricing. Keeps businesses relevant, maintains steady sales. Leads to price wars, reduces profitability. Economy pricing. Appeals to price-sensitive buyers, enables high-volume sales. Low margins, weak brand differentiation. Value-based pricing. Maximizes profits, enhances brand perception. Requires deep customer insight, complex to implement. Cost-plus pricing. Simple, ensures cost coverage with profit. Ignores competitors and customer perception. Psychological pricing. Boosts sales by making prices feel more attractive. Overuse can reduce trust. How to choose the right pricing strategy. Know your value. What makes your product special? Is it top quality, great service, or unique features? Price it based on what sets you apart. Analyze the market. Check what similar products cost and what customers are willing to pay. Find the sweet spot between affordability and profit. Understand your customers. Who's buying? high-end shoppers or budget-conscious buyers. Price accordingly. Set a price range, cover your costs, add profit, and keep it attractive to buyers. Check competitors. See how others price their products and learn from their strategies. Industry trends matter. Different industries use different pricing models. Make sure yours fits your market. Align with your brand. Luxury brands charge premium prices, while budget brands stay affordable. Keep it consistent. Get customer feedback. See what customers think about your prices and adjust as needed. Test adapt. Try discounts, bundles, or limited time offers to see. Choosing the right pricing strategy is key to business success. By understanding your market, costs, and customers, you can set prices that drive profit and growth.